Yo, crypto nation and mining family. Crypto nation and mining family. What's going on? And of course, like always, it's not financial advice. Yo, crypto nation and mining family. What's going on out there? Yo. So, got some really cool stuff that a few things that I've ordered up in the last week or so, and one of the packages actually came in, so I'm actually kind of excited. I did get a lot of the stuff that I needed. I've got one thing that I haven't received quite yet, so what do I want to show off first? Good God. So alright, we'll do it this way. So I got some much needed flux. Oh, that's kind of cool. It's like the label's green. So got some awesome flux here. Can never have too much flux on your PCB in any way, shape, or form. Got a big giant spool of solder, just so I can do some board repair of some sort. And some awesome solder wick. I don't like the solder suck guns. They suck. They don't really work too well. I've used a lot of different ones, and I tend to always go back to the solder wick itself. It's just a little bit more versatile, I think, in my opinion. And then I've also got one of these. If anybody knows what this actually is, drop some comments down below. Because this is one of the things that I'm actually waiting for, is what runs that. Oh yeah. That's pretty heavy. Not really like overly heavy, but it's got some weight to it. So let's dig into this a little bit here. Boom. Ooh. Let me get this camera. All right, bam. Good to see my Pi over here. Ooh. Getting 114 hash a second on that Monero. Ooh. Overclocked to 2 gigahertz. Nice. All right, so we're gonna play a little of what's in the box here, right? I can't see my knife. Got my safety blade here. Safety first. All right, here. Cut that open. Cut this open. All right, now let's try to get this thing up. I gotta cut this side open because of course they taped over that. All right, now I can grab it. Oh, let's see here. All right. Oh, now you can't see me. All right, so we got some instructions. That's always nice to have some instructions. All right, here. Let me turn this around a little bit. All right. So I got some nice foam. It's like pretty well packed. This is some pretty thick. Oh, it's sexual. Oh, it's so sexual. You guys want to see this? Oh, this is amazing. Bam. You guys never seen one of these? This is a hot air rework station. So let's go ahead. So this is the heating element and fan and all that good stuff. So this is a quick 861 DW hot air rework station. So let's carefully pull this out of the bag. Alright, so, alright. And then what else we got here? And I have an alligator clip and a headphone jack looking thing. Alright, we have the stand for the hot air rework station here. What's this? Sounds like parts. Ooh, we got tips. Oh. Got small tip, larger tip, mega blaster. Oh, nice. Alright, so it looks like there's nothing else in here, so it looks like this is what we have. Now I know a little bit about this, so I can sit there and put this in like that, but I don't know why it came with this. Am I supposed to plug that in somewhere? I have no idea what this is. Come discover stuff with me, people. Alright, so it looks like we have a way to plug this into the back side, but I don't know what it does. Yeah, so it plugs into the back of this, but why? It's gonna make me read the instructions here, because I have no idea what that cable's for. So come learn with me. So we've got temperature setting on the left side of this. So we got temperature, how much it's gonna blow on it. Looks like you got a way to be able to program into it like different settings for different temperatures, of course. So I have no idea. Okay, so what's in the packing list? So it's got a packing list in here. Doesn't say what it is. The units, instruction manual, handle holder, nozzle with the 3 different nozzles, grounding cord with a clamp. Oh, okay. So it's a grounding cable. So if you're not running it with good grounds and stuff, it's got a way. And then that means this little thing should actually plug in. Now, I wonder if I gotta why it wants me to do it this way. But yeah, so why do we have a grounding, and how do you use that? Because that's a new one to me. So I was right. The instruction manual says channel 1, 2, and 3 are for different temperatures with different amount of fan on it. Setting, infrastructure. All right, here. I don't know why it wants to be grounded. Complete calibration, replacement parts. It doesn't say anything about this ground cable. Outlet, the use of the unit is described in the manual. The outlet in the surrounding area may be hot. Please take great concern of it being burned. Blah, blah, blah. Safety. Nothing says anything about this grounding clamp. Looks like nothing in here really says anything about it either. I'm like kind of trying to read this, and operation, passwords, why it needs that. Errors. Yeah, that's weird. It gives you something and doesn't say what it's for. Password. That is really weird. I've never seen anything like that where it gives you something. It just says grounding cord. Is it like grounding me? Or what? Can I like attach it to stuff and like ground it? Yeah, nowhere it says in here. That is odd. I'll have to look into it. The only thing I can think of is like you attach it to like a grounding desk or something like that. But it does not have anything in here about that. Interesting. Oh well. Kind of want to check this out a little bit. Turn it on. Oh. Come on. One more turn. There we go. Alright, so I don't have enough extension cord and I don't want to pop that. I've already got that one taxed out. Man. Let's see, do I have enough hose to do it this way? Can I bring it down low? Whoa. I don't like dropping stuff here. It's this cable, it's not. Man. I just don't have enough outlets here. I swear. Alright. Let's see. Have any open outlets around here? And I don't want to put it into that. Unless I'm unplugging one of you. Does that mess up my stuff here? Actually, no. We're good. Okay, cool. I just unplugged one of my lights to do this. Ooh, I get the peel. Ooh. Alright, so we have different tip nozzles on here, and I'm sure that it just slips in very easily. Yeah, it actually does. And how hard are you? Ah. So I can use the base to actually take it off while it's hot and switch tips if I needed to. That's kind of cool. It says put that in there so it knows that it's in the park position. Alright. Oh, wow. It's pretty warm. Oh, wow, and I can... Oh, wow. You really get it hot. Wow. Oh, wow, cool. So, as soon as you put it into the base, even though the fan's still on, it registers it in the, like, standby mode. And then as soon as I pick it up, it should automatically just start heating right back up. Oh, wow. It's actually pretty quick about it, too. That's really cool. And as soon as you put it in there, it starts to cool it down. Oh wow, it puts it into standby and everything. Ooh. And this thing gets pretty hot, holy cow. And then as soon as it gets down to... And it's showing it in real temp in Fahrenheit, so I mean I had it at 420 degrees. Giggity. And as soon as it hits 215, it puts it in complete standby mode. So that's actually kind of sweet. So, guys, definitely I'll be able to start doing some board repair. Ooh. Been kind of wanting to get into it a little bit, considering that I do have an ASIC that needs a little bit of fixing on it. I would love to take the part off that's actually damaged and see if I can fix it. So I'm not sure if I will do that. Maybe I might do a stream on Sunday where I'm just doing exactly that, fixing one of the hashing boards. Guys, drop some comments in down below if you would like to see me do a little board repair. Actually, no, I can't. Oh, I can't. So I've actually got to wait for my other package, and then I'll be able to. So definitely stay tuned for hopefully the next one. I might just do an unboxing live, and do some board repair. Ooh. So definitely stay tuned with that one. I'm going to start getting used to dealing with doing board repair. I haven't done board repair since I was basically in high school. But it was always something that I enjoyed doing when I was younger. My folks owned an electronic repair shop, so doing small electronic repair, removing resistors, capacitors, changing out bad transformers and stuff like that. I actually found a lot of fun doing that. And at some point in time, because of how much of a throwaway a society we've become, oh, my VCR is broken, throw it away, get a new one. The reason being was that basically China was making them mass-produced so cheap, it actually would cost you more to repair your old VCR than it would be to actually just buy a new one. Whenever you're getting charged $100 to fix your old school Zenith VCR, and a new VCR that's got a little bit more newer technology in it is $100. So it put a lot of people out of business from that. But there is a little bit of a resurgence of needing to basically, how can I put it? Like, people need to be able to repair this stuff instead of just throwing everything away all the time. Just because something broke on there doesn't mean you can't fix it. So I want to get back into getting back into doing small circuit repair. Maybe at some point in time I will, if you guys would like to, if you got like some ASICs or GPUs, I can always try to take a look at them and see if I can figure out what's wrong with it. And after that, sit there and repair it. Because I know a lot of people that used to do it, and it's kind of funny how we would repair a lot of this stuff, because a lot of these companies don't relinquish their board repair manuals for like the wiring schematic in the board. So some of the information you just aren't going to find. And then it's also hidden behind, company secrets. So a lot of times whenever I was repairing boards back in the day, if I wanted to repair, if I thought I had a bad resistor, obviously if the resistor is open or short to ground, that's the easy one to find. But whenever it was just out of specification and you weren't sure if you were looking at the right specification, we would find another resistor that was the same, measure that one, and then go back to the one that we were in suspicion of, and then measure that to see if it's within tolerance of each other. If they were, then we just moved on to the next thing. So yeah, definitely. If you would like to see me do some board repair, drop some comments in down below. I might even be willing to do some of that stuff live. So while you're down there, guys, also, before I take off, because this one's a little bit on the longer side, before you guys take off, I will be, once I get to 600 subscribers, I think I'm going to do a $20 Bitcoin giveaway. So guys, definitely share this video on your favorite social media. Help me get to that 600 subscriber mark, and I will do a $20 Bitcoin giveaway. While you're down there hitting that share button, definitely smash that Lizzie like button, subscribe if you haven't, hit the bell notification, so that basically helps grow my channel. So the quicker I grow my channel to 600, the quicker you might actually be a winner. Yo. And with that, guys, I'll definitely see you all on the next one.